Okay, next we'll see how to do billing in the Jamku software. Two mandatory things that one time that you need to add is creating the entity and adding the client location. For creating the entity, go to the navigation button, Office configuration page, entity. Multiple entity can be created over here. Click on this new to creating it. Give the entity name. Uncheck this I mark. Your entity and client name, legal name could be the same. Check again, then it will be saved. Uncheck this I mark and give the address and then save it. You can give the detailed address over here in address 1 and address 2. PAN number, if SIN is available, give this in. If GST is applicable, give it as yes. If not, select no. And if GST is applicable, give the GST number over here. Mobile number and email ID. And you can also create the bill numbering and receipt numbering here. Example, and the same you will can create for the receipts. So from this your bill numbering will start. From this your receipt numbering will start. In the remark you can add your bank details. Declare in the declaration you can add the declaration. In the signature you can just type your office name here and click on save. The entity will be created. Next is creating the adding the client location. For that, go to group list. Select the client name for which you want to create add the location. Go to the bill location tab. In each group, sometimes there will be multiple clients. So click on this new. From the drop down, select the client to whom you want to add the client location. In the legal name, give the name. GST number, PAN, SIN is SIN if are available, and select the state. Give the address and click on save. The client location will be added. Now I'll go to the either you can go to task costing report, remove this complete date, click on the cloud icon, scroll to the right, billing state in the billing ST, click on this funnel icon and select unbilled. So all your unbilled tasks will come here. When you click here, it will directly take you to the billing tab. Or you can come to the task list directly, remove this filter, click on this plus option, select the billing status, not billed, click on add. All your unbilled tasks will be filtered out. You can click on this task name and go to the billing tab. So here we have added the expected cost and click on update. The cost will be added. Now click on this plus bill. Select the entity from which you are raising the bill. Billing date, that will be the today's date. Click on save. If you want to add TDS percentage, you can add the TDS percentage over here. And click on save. If you want to add, or you can leave it blank if TDS is not applicable. Build under the build task, we can see one task. This is the task that we are going to build. Along with this, if you want to merge any other task into the same build, you just need to click on this arrow. It will come to build task. If you don't know, if you do not want to add it, you want to remove it from the build task, it will go back to unbuild. Okay. Now select the client location. Click on enable printing. This is a line that we are going to create the bill. If you want to change any of the details over here, you can edit it. Click on this pencil icon. Give the GST percentage over here if it has not been added. Update. If you want to change, you can also change the amount. If you want to add lines, click on this add line and you can mm, add the lines here. Give the description, amount, percentage, and click on add. Now click on this print preview. This is how the invoice looks. If you want invoice here, click on the invoice and you can print the invoice over here. But if you want to add a company's logo and QR code here, you can add it. Go back and here select the format to click on print preview. You need to add the URL of the image. Then the logo will show here, and you can also add the QR code URL, and the QR code will also show over here. You can select the invoice here and click on print. Invoice will be generated. Okay. So, so to this client, we have raised the invoice now. If you go to the group list, click on this money tab, and you can see this is the bill that we have raised today. If you have received amount from the client to this, you can add the receipt. Click on this plus receipt, select the client name, entity, amount that you have received. Even if you have received partial, that amount also you can add over here. Client location, description, receipt note can be added and click on save. So here you can see this is the amount that you have raised and the amount you have received, and the balance amount it will show here that you need to receive from this group of clients.